Motorola Talkabout FV700R circuit board replacement. The circuit board is the connecting point of all components in the radio. If the circuit board is malfunctioning, the radio will not function until the circuit board is replaced. Follow the steps below to properly replace the circuit board of the radio. Remove the back battery cover by pressing the tab to the left and lifting. A small screwdriver can aid this process. Remove the batteries currently in the radio. When you're ready to add new batteries, place the MH or AAA replacement batteries in the specified slots. The orientation of the batteries is specified in the battery compartment. Turn the volume knob to the off position. Firmly grasp and pull back on the volume knob. The knob should come off smoothly. This may require some twisting and force. Remove the 4 3mm T6 Torx screws from the front of the radio. Remove the 4 3mm T8 Torx screws from the back of the radio. Gently open the backplate of the radio. Use a flathead screwdriver to slowly pry apart the two sides. Be careful, as the antenna is still attached. Pulling the two sides apart too quickly could break the antenna. Gently pull the circuit board away from the front faceplate. Be careful not to tug the wire connecting the circuit board to the speaker, as it is still attached to the faceplate. Do not touch the button contacts on the circuit board. The button contacts are shown in the red box of the second picture. This can cause long-term damage to the radio unless you properly clean them. See guide. To remove the speaker from the faceplate, insert a paper clip through the front faceplate and push. The speaker is glued to the front faceplate, so it may take some force to remove the speaker. Now the circuit board can be removed from the back faceplate. To do this, grip the back faceplate in one hand and the antenna in the other. Pull and twist the antenna away from the back faceplate. The circuit board should be removed with the antenna, as they are attached. After pulling the circuit board away from the backplate, the result should be as shown in the picture. Remove all wires from the circuit board with a soldering iron. Be careful when using the soldering iron. Properly dispose of the old circuit board and solder the speaker onto the new circuit board.